We have incredible updates to go and talk about: airdrops to claim, grass airdrop updates, dbridge update, and many more. So we jump straight onto the laptop, and the first thing is the dbridge airdrop will be huge. We see here from the co-founder that dbridge just crossed 10 million accrued into the treasury, more than the total amount of funding the project have ever raised. The airdrop, by looking at this, it is gonna be incredibly big. So if you are not yet farming, you still have time to farm it. If you are farming it, make sure to go and farm it even more. Come and join my community. We are 204 of us over here. So thank you very much for everybody that joins me through the referral link down below. And just go and farm it, because we have a lot of incredible things coming. So we got a $3 billion in volume generated fees, which is going to the treasury of $10 million, plus the funding round they have for the airdrop, which will be incredible. Over or closing to 500,000 users, which is absolutely nice. They will have a criteria to go and exclude a little bit of them with simply do 1 or 2 transactions. So make sure that you go and do your transaction over here on the bridging page. Whether you want to bridge, any tokens that you got to any other places, make sure to go and do it. You receive points and you are good to go. But this airdrop, it is gonna be incredibly big in my opinion, simply because of how many people are using it, how much volume they're doing it, and potentially the new also investment that they will have before the airdrop, in my opinion, will be really big. One other protocol of bridging protocol that is great in my opinion to go and farm is Owelto. Now with Owelto, as of right now, I will leave you the link down below as well, and I do suggest you go and mint or farm both of them if you have the possibility. Owelto is a little bit more interesting with the point system, because as dbridge, it works with the point system, yes, but you have the possibility to go and earn extra point. For example, bridging to and from Scroll, follow them on Twitter, on Discord, and every week or so there's some new missions that come in, and you go and scale through the ranks with the point system, but you earn a lot of points by bridging. The transaction fees when there are this bridging from Tycho, for example, to zkSync, from Tycho, from zkSync, they are way cheaper than anything. Yeah, so for example, another strategy, aside from going and earn these points with the missions, as well as earning 180 points per transaction that you do on the Owelto app, one other great thing that you can do if you want to keep on farming points, once you finish the mission, keep on farming on this ecosystem. So bridge to Scroll from zkSync era, and you will see, for example, over here, from zkSync era to Tycho, for example, which are two of the boost your point activities, you can see here that the points are super nice, and the fees are extremely low when you go and bridge from one to the other. So if you go and utilize this one, if you go and send, for example, over here, you can see that the bridging, you get the points, you get the bridging, and the fees are super low. Free bridging, free destination cost, even less if you go from or to one of the boosted ones. So definitely go and do it, and I really suggest you go and farm dbridge, which I think is going to be bigger than Owelto, but Owelto has this nice bonus in terms of point structure. Both links will be down below. If you want to join my community, I didn't talk much about Owelto, but I am now, because I do like it a lot and I do utilize it. You see here how many transactions I've done. If you want to join me, thank you very much for the support. Next up, there is a important NFT that I want to talk about, and this is the Zora over here from Dracula. Now, Dracula is a platform that allows creators, for example me or anybody else, for example TikTokers, etc., to go and post video on their platform. Every time that you post a video on their platform, their video or your video gets automatically redirected also to Zora for you to go and make a little bit of income. And what is nice about this? Well, Dracula has a social media app that allows video share to be also on the blockchain. It will have a very juicy airdrop. You can see it over here on Twitter. If you go over to their page over on Twitter, Dracula is a really nice project, and I do believe that the airdrop is gonna be worth something. And this NFT, by the way, whether it's a video or not, you only have 3 days left to go and do it, so do not miss out. After that, the minting is done. Only cost $2, and Dracula will have a nice launch. They apply for they got a $1 million creator fund, which, by the way, I'm not yet part of it, but if you do want to see me try it, let me know down in the comments below. They are based on Farcaster and DJ, and they got nearly 60,000 people following them, and they do have a lot of creator within their app, within their video, which you can see over here if you go to their website through their site over here to the Dracula.app. So definitely something nice. I got a drip balance as well, and everything that you see here, you know, you can vote. They got the doodles as well, which is really, really nice. Like they have collaboration with a lot of people. A lot of people are posting here. They get points by posting. You then get share over on Zora. As you see here, a lot of people. So I will try also to go and upload a video. I will try it. And if I do before this video, I will leave it linked down below. But definitely some things, definitely an NFT to go and mint, which is super, super nice. To mint it, we can do it together super simply, like this one. We go and spend $2.73 as we see, and we go and farm it. The airdrop will be way much more than the $2 price, when the airdrop is gonna drop. And I do like it a lot. I do like the creativity with it, the sharing on Zora automatically over on their page to support even more the creators, and also how much they're doing it and the amount of creators that there are and which creator there are. Like it's not only just people, there is also big pages, there is also, as we see here, big NFT, big Twitter guys. So definitely something to go and consider getting for yourself and being part of it. I minted this one and definitely something to go and pick up in my opinion. Following up, we got a new claim of the bubble allocation over here. As we're able to go and see, the link to go and claim it is this one. You connect with X and you see this smooth transaction to authorize. Go and connect, go and power up, go and accept the connection between Twitter and the website, and then you are good to go. You can go and check your airdrop allocation. I will leave you this one down below. And as we see here, when it comes to the bubble farmer who submitted an alternative claim ticket, please claim via this one. Now, do not click anything that is not their official post. As we see over here, imaginary ones 1.1 million and this one as well 1.1 million. But you can go over to their website and go and check out how to claim it, how to earn it with imaginary ones NFTs, introducing the bubble points. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure to not fall for any comments, tweet over here in the situation. So definitely something. They also have the app, they also have the games, they got mini games, they have games, etc. So let me know if you are eligible for this airdrop down below. Next up, another airdrop that we did talk about a couple of months ago. This was Ninja Blaze, and we did utilize the testnet. Now we got the airdrop allocation for the testnet user, which is everybody that follow my advice. And as we see over here, how to go and check, how to go and do anything. Well, you got the claiming, which is over on their website, will come very, very soon, but I will show you how to check your allocation. Can I sell the boxes? If you believe the rewards inside is worth less than the selling price of the box, you can sell the box on a secondary market. But I would suggest you to keep it. Once you get to the website over here, we have this voice on the left, the loot boxes, and you can check over here the airdrop checker. Simply click on view, check the one that you got, and I got 3 boxes as a testnet participant. So let me know your testnet participation, your allocation, how many boxes you got down in the comments below. I want to see if some of you, played more, played less, how much you got, and all of the goodies. Following up, we got an update over on Linear Park LXP. Now, the LXP distribution for the Linear Park missions have come to an end. As we see over here, if you go and check your MetaMask wallet, you will have an increased allocation of your LXP. Now, if you do not have the LXP in your wallet yet, I will leave you the contract address down in the comments below, in the description below. So you can simply go and add it, go to import token, paste the contract address over here, and you will have the LXP token in your wallet. Now, when it comes to the Linear Park distribution, the Linear Park Quest, a lot of them was important. Also, some of them had the request to go and mint an NFT. That is why I keep on insisting that the Zora NFT are gonna be huge in terms of the qualification for future airdrops. We got the Dracula, we had the Berachain in yesterday's video, and the reveal as well in yesterday's video, so make sure to go and check those. But they are gonna be really, really important for future airdrop. But the Linear Park is now out. You can go and check it. I got a 300 to 400 point. I believe it was, I had 1.6 if I'm not mistaken. Now I got nearly 5 out of 5 less than 2,000. So make sure also to let me know your allocation down in the comments below. Another update is the 18th season of the Stride airdrop. It is now live to go and claim over on their website. I will leave it linked down below. Unclaimed Stride from season 1 and 18 also gets recycled, so definitely nice to see how this one works. And they got the 18th airdrop, which is super nice. Let's go and insert our password over here. On the Kepler wallet, you can claim a percent of what's left, 23 days to remain. We got the EVOs around 30s, 5 days remaining. and this one got 11 days remaining. So I will leave you the link down below, but definitely go and check if you got any allocation. I have personally never interacted with this one, but if you go and be eligible for it, you have all of these Atom Staker, Osmosis Staker, Juno Staker, Star Stakers, and the Ibmos Stakers. You will be able to claim it all through this website. Next up, we got a update over on Tabby. The new mission, the Lost Temple, as we see over here, it is now out. So what you gotta do, simply click over to the new world. You will be redirected over here. And if I do find it, I will leave you my invitation code below, or if you're already part of it, make sure to go and check it out and do everything that you gotta do. But what we have here, well, we got the feather, which is what we did go and claim for free over in the last couple of months that I did bring you the video. And now, if you missed those, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Sorry. Now you can go and exchange the feathers for the, for the actual GG token over here. And as we see over here, you will receive the amount, for example, 10x the multiplier that I have. So if I go 1,000, I will receive 104,784 GG, which you do need to pay though to go and exchange this one. You go and 0.07 is approximately $200, at least the one that I have to do over here. Of course, the less you do, the less you go and pay, as you see over here. So I don't know, is it worth it? Is it a good exchange in terms of possible error? Like, do I need to go and spend money to go and claim an airdrop to them? Maybe be worth less or more? I don't know. I'm not really 100% sure about it. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But yeah, it does look a little bit dodgy, and I don't know what they're looking for. I don't know what they're doing, but I don't know, this thing of having people paying, for example, with the zero airdrop as well, it is not the best. We can see also over on their Twitter profile over here what people have to say, which, are not really happy with it. But, let me know your thoughts and comments below. I will leave you the link and you can go and do your choice and let me know what you decide. Following up, we got an update over on the Kai airdrop on the Cosmos ecosystem. The eligibility checker is now live, and this one is the eligibility checker. Click on proceed, review over here. I am active on, please select the following boxes correspond to the wallet activity in the Kinect on Kava. Proceed. Eligible token, I've got 0. You can connect the wallet over here, which is either MetaMask or the other one. But, let's go and connect MetaMask or the other one you got. And as we see over here, I am not eligible for anything. If you would be, you would see your allocation over here. And then you would have the possibility to go and get it for yourself. But I'm not eligible for this. Let me know yourself, and then simply go and proceed to claim it and sell it. Next up, I want to talk about the new update over on Grass. Now, there's a few important things. The first one is to verify your email address. Simply come to the reward tab over on the left. You have the possibility to verify the email address. Next up, you have the possibility to verify the wallet address. Click over here, and I did connect my Solana wallet. You can also connect your MetaMask, but I did go and put my Phantom wallet in it as the Grass airdrop is on the Solana ecosystem. Therefore, I go and match my wallet with the account. The last step that you need to do is to confirm the wallet in your email. You will receive an email on the email that you provided over here to your email address that you are the owner of both the wallet and the email. Simply open up, verify it, and you are good to go. This is a very important step for the airdrop allocation that will come within this year, and very important. Next up, we also have the store update over here, which I personally didn't go and do it yet. Let me know if you have done it down in the comments below. You download the Grass extension, and then you got the Grass community node, which will give you a 1.25x on all the points that you go and have it. So you will have a boost in your point. I haven't done it yet, and you simply need to download over here to install it. The community node, it will run in the back end of your laptop, like all the updates and the plugin that we did have so far. So let me know your opinions down in the comments below, whether or not you have done it or whether you know people that have done it. But the very important thing, if you haven't joined Grass airdrop yet, you still got time to go and do it. So I will leave you my referral link down below. Important is that your rewards, you go and do to your rewards, you go through the verification of your email address, the verification of your wallet address, and the confirming wallets in the email, because a lot of bots are running this program and now they are probably shutting down on it, and the airdrop is coming soon. Now they're just making kind of like a human verification on their end to be able to know who is who and whether or not you're eligible for the airdrop. Following up, we got a Milk Way airdrop update for all the TIA stakers, converted them into Milk TIA. Milk airdrop update way 10 days before H1 Q2 runs out. So they are delaying the airdrop because the extensions to serve the broader modular community prompt the delay. So their airdrop that was supposed to be, it is not there anymore. So I don't know how to feel about it. I personally am not within this, but if you are a TIA staker, so let me know in the comments below. And I mean, you need to go and convert TIA to Milk TIA to then be both TIA staker as well as Milk TIA stakers. I personally never participated into this one. And the expectation for the new airdrop, it used to be Q2 of 2024, coming to an end relatively soon. Now we got the late 2024 as a date. In my opinion, Grass airdrop will come before the Milk TIA airdrop, even potentially the Zora NFT airdrop will come, or the Dracula airdrop over here on the Zora page will come before the Milk TIA airdrop, but it is what it is. Following up, we got a Mochaverse update, and their platform, their airdrop is coming in July. They have announced it, so next month the Mocha TGE is coming in July 2024. It is as of yet trading at 0.16 cents per token on the pre-market, which is kind of nice to see. But if you do want to know more about it, make sure to wait, and there will be more updates that I will take you. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. With that said, I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.